how to unsilence notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to unsilence your notifications on iPhone. First things first, make sure that your do not disturb mode is not on. For that, swipe down the notification bar from the right, and then you can see do not disturb there. Just tap on it and then just tap on do not disturb to turn it off, so it is turned off. Now if you want another method, then come back and then go to settings and then tap on notifications and then scroll down. You can see your apps here. Now tap on the app from which you want the notifications. So I'm choosing two player games, and then just toggle on the allow notifications. You can choose whether you want alerts on your lock screen, notification center, banners, or all of them. You can even choose the sound and badges, and you can even choose to announce notifications. So like this, you can do this for each app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.